What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome to another video. So you saw the title, what actually happened to the FRS? I didn't have my camera on me, so a few minutes after it happened, after I cooled down a little bit, I took out the phone and recorded this little clip. So I was just driving my car, pulling into a parking lot, and my diffuser grabbed the ground. Let me show you guys the damage. So it doesn't look terrible, but it ripped all the, oh wow, okay. It ripped all the fiberglass out of here, ripped some fiberglass, wait, this one should be fine actually. Yeah, so pretty much need to replace this panel here, and then all the vinyl right there by the taillight, ripped all that out as well. So for now, because we're leaving to California soon, I'm gonna ghetto fix this, and then when I get back I can buy a new one of these panels and we should be on our way. I know a lot of you probably saw this on Instagram. If you're not following me already, you probably should be. Go hit that follow button on the gram. But what I'm gonna do right now, back up a little bit. I'm leaving to California bright and early in the morning with this FRS here. Obviously I can't take it how it is with body panels falling off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set the camera down. I gotta get this thing busted out, get it ready to go for tomorrow. I'm gonna fix all that, the wide body crap that happened, and then check over a few things, check the oil, tire pressure, lug nuts, wheel spacers, and yeah, just do a bunch of that random stuff. Get it ready for the road trip. I'll give it a nice wash in the morning. I also have to wash the Evo in the morning because I'm gonna store the Evo in here when I'm gone, of course. Yeah, so I'm just gonna set the camera down. I will see you guys bright and early in the morning. This is gonna be a hella sick video. It's gonna be super awesome. Stay tuned for what's about to come. Yo, welcome back to the vlog. So last night I got that FRS all wrapped up. Everything should be good to go in there. I checked over pretty much everything. I checked over the oil. I just changed the oil on the car, so I made sure that was good to go. I checked all the wheels and tires, checked the tire pressures. I got the wide body all fixed. Let me show you guys for the most part. So that's where the damage was. It's still a little cracked up right there under the vinyl. And then of course the vinyl by the taillight's still kind of messed up. But no worries there, it's gonna hold just fine. But the main thing I need to do right now, as you guys know, my Evo is undrivable right now. That clutch is, the throwout bearing I'm pretty sure is gone. I'm still not really sure. As you can see, it's sitting there behind me. I haven't touched it yet. I need to get that car washed up because I just spent so much time detailing it. So I'm gonna get it washed and then get it into the shop before I leave. I'm leaving in about an hour. It's 5:30 in the morning right now. So I'm leaving in an hour. Gotta get that thing clean, get it in the shop, then we can bounce on our way. This thing's hella interesting to drive right now. So basically what I have to do, how I drive this car is I'm gonna start it up in neutral, let it warm up, just so I don't like destroy some stuff on it. And then to actually go, you shut the car off, put it in first gear, and then start it up again. So as you're starting it up, the car's already moving because you're not pushing on the clutch. It's kind of funny. I'll show you guys how that all works. Really hope I'm not destroying stuff when I do that, but it's the only way to move the car right now. I'm not gonna bore you guys with another car wash time lapse. So I will see you in a minute when I get this thing all cleaned up, get it stored away in the shop. Bam! Car is in the shop, it's clean, it's good to go. I'm very happy now that there's not gonna be a bunch of junk sitting on it because this thing was freaking disgusting. I guess I should probably explain to you guys why there's no wing on the car. I didn't really tell you guys. So real quick before we bounce out of Spokane, I sold the Battle Arrow wing, and APR is sending me over a GTC 300 wing for this car. So it's the same wing I'm running on the FRS. So those should be in when I get back from California. Pretty much just waiting on Bobby right now. Then we're gonna bounce out of here. She's gotta go get like her nails. Is there nails done or hair done or something? I don't know, female stuff. I'm gonna go do guy stuff while she does that. So I'm gonna go wash the FRS as she's doing her stuff. And then we're gonna be on our freaking way to California. So I'm not gonna film too much on the way there. I'm gonna get some sick ass shots from the drone and just random stuff, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with the typical road trip shit. It's gonna be like a 16 or 17 hour drive all the way. So the car's absolutely disgusting right now, as you can see. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash. I'll show you guys the end result. Bam, car is all clean, good to go. Let's hit the road to LA. So there's always two things me and Bobby do before a road trip. Number one, wash the car. Number two, get coffee. So we're in the middle of Rufus right now. I think it's called Rufus.
Yeah.
And we're going to the Bulldog Diner to grab some grub. See how good this place is. Let's do the Bobby Walsh transition. How was it? You didn't think it was going to be when they first came in? You said, no, I don't want to go there. It's always those small bars and restaurants that are the best. Like the Riff. So like Bobby was saying, that place was freaking incredible. You probably saw my face when I was walking in.
Oh my gosh, I should not be wearing a crop top right now.
You probably saw my face when I was walking in, and I thought it wasn't going to be that good, but damn, it's always those smaller, off the beaten path places that are freaking amazing.
Oh, clamp, like you know.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Time for Red Bull though, and Bobby's gonna drive, and I'm gonna go to sleep after I drink my Red Bull, if it makes sense. Actually, I don't know if I want a Red Bull.
I think you should save your Red Bull for later.
I know, I might, but what do I want though? Red Bull,
Red
Monster.
Bull.
Where's
Do you have the sugar-free purple edition?
You want one of those?
No, I shouldn't.
Monster's always really good. You don't want nothing? Oh, my sunflower seeds. Alright, back up, back up. What's that song? Back up, back up. Who's that? Is that Limp Bizkit?
I don't know what the heck you're talking about.
You want anything?
Nope, I'm okay.
Okay, well I need this. And should we get some water for the car?
Is this where you did, Moss?
Yeah, that'll do it. Could I grab one of these cups?
Yes, sir.
Teas? Thank you. Got some homies out here wanting some photos.
Yeah, where are we at right now?
We're at the Super 8 in Klamath Falls. We still got 9 hours, 45 minutes to drive tomorrow. It's not bad actually. So if we left like at 8, we get there like at evening-ish. And just like chill and
We don't have a place to stay tomorrow.
That's fine. I gotta tell YouTube something. There's this huge meet next Sunday. What's the date? Hold up, let me pull this up on my phone. If anyone's in LA, you better come through. Huntington Beach. Should just show them this. So yeah, May 20th, 4:08 p.m., Huntington Beach, California. It's a beach meet where they always are. I will continue this vlog tomorrow, so I'll see you guys then. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the video. Still in Klamath Falls. We're gonna make it all the way to LA today, and that is a 10-hour drive. We still have 10 hours to go, but this morning I'm gonna make a nice little video edit of Bobby walking to the car and airing up and all that good stuff. So enjoy the edit. Hope you guys enjoyed that nice little edit, but right now we're at Dutch Bros, and I figured while we're here, I'm gonna kind of check over the car. So what I'm gonna do is check all the tire pressures, check like the lug nuts, just check over the car, make sure it's good to go before we jump on this another 10-hour trek to California. Don't mind the dirty ass car, this thing's freaking disgusting. Haven't had a chance to wash it up yet. Perfect, right at 40 still. So the last thing I'm gonna do is check the oil. Yeah, we're plenty good. It's like right at full, but we're on a hill.
That is perfect.
Flawless.
To a T.
To a T, it's perfect to a T.
Alright, get your ass in the car. It's
well, I gotta wipe
cold.
off my oil. Hold up.
What the heck is he doing? Cute little tushy tush.
Oh no, we're harming the environment. whatever. Branded pants.
Babe!
They're just pants. Cars are more important than pants. For real. Alright, let's hit the road.
Oh, praise the Lord. Hey guys, I'm gonna say hi to the vlog for a second. Let me just tell you a little something about road tripping with Devin. You would just spit. Road tripping with Devin. Ugh, window up now. It's kind of a pain.
Why?
Why? Because I don't know, honestly. Because he has me drive his. He has me do all these stupid edits. Just kidding. That's not going in.
They're not.
They can't know. It has to be all natural.
The edits? They're definitely not natural. Ew. This is not good. That's a really dope truck, though.
I know. I saw that at the gas station.
All right. Let's hit the road.
This is so crispy.
I know. It's. Is that shooting at f2? This says
yeah.
f2.0. Yeah, it's always really crispy at f2. But it's just hard to walk shit.
Okay, guys. Next stop, we're gonna see you in California.
That's a lie. Next thing you're gonna see is a sick ass edit of me whipping down the way in the drone.
No, babe.
In the drone. Yeah, I'm gonna fly the drone. I'm gonna sit on it and fly it.
Fat ass cannot sit on that thing.
Can yours?
Oh yeah.
Do you have a fat ass?
I'd say it's pretty plump.
So we're having a little issue with the car, and it's kind of funny because it's like 5 miles ago I said, I can't believe we made it this far without issues. But right now, I have all of my lights on my dash are on. So check engine light, my ABS light, traction control light, all that stuff. I'm at Napa and I'm gonna see if they have a scanner here because I didn't bring mine with, and see if they can scan this, see what's going on with the car. It's been driving fine, but there's one part where like made no power at all. Maybe it's just that FRS thing where they're slow as hell, but
I think
I'll let you guys know.
I really think that was the issue.
What? They're just slow?
Yeah, your car's just slow.
Yeah, I'm thinking it could be just an ABS sensor or something, but I'll let you guys know when I figure it out. We're in Wrecked, California, and apparently this is a really ghetto place. Let's hope I don't have to leave the FRS here because that'd be sad.
That's why I'm staying inside.
Okay, bye. The guys at Napa they didn't want to scan it for policy reasons or whatever, but they were freaking out because they're like, what the hell kind of car is that? Where's my keys at? Will it start? They said there's a place in Mount Shasta, O'Reilly's Auto Parts, that could scan it, so I'm gonna head there. Idling's so low. You feel it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna head there and see if they can scan it for me. Let's hope they can. Yay, we can scan the codes.
Does it cost something or is it free?
We just scan it. It should be free.
Yeah.
It's gonna say, your car is broken. And then it's gonna say, I broke my back.
Shush.
That is P0500 vehicle speed sensor, right?
I called it, dude.
What?
Speed sensor, I called it.
Speed
Another
sensor?
one, a C1231, but no definition.
What kind of camera is it?
I don't know. It's his camera, babe.
I'm just curious to make. It's a Sony A7R2.
It's a Sony. Wow.
Sony.
You can't go wrong with Sony.
Right? We do a lot of YouTube stuff.
It's that speed sensor, so when I was clearancing the frame out with the torch, I think I got one a little hot.
So what do you need to fix it?
Just a new sensor. I'm gonna see if they have them here. If not, it's not a big deal. I can still drive it. It's fine.
Oh my gosh, this guy is still. Oh, you can't see. This guy's still following Devin around.
I don't.
Devin is
Not from here, so. Oh yeah.
should probably go film out there, but I don't really want to get outside. He gets like an inch away from your face.
Pull my battery cable in. See if I can reset this check engine light. So all that cruise control light. It's just they didn't have sensors here. I have to go to Toyota to get one. Yeah, check engine lights off, and that's all I care about.
Good.
So we're good.
We Gucci. Let's go. Right?
That guy would not clamp it.
Oh my gosh.
I like talking. I love fucking talking. made it to Sacramento, and of course the first place that Bobby wants to stop is In-N-Out because she just loves
First place.
freaking
This is my second.
food. Oh wait, she just had Taco Bell. So now we're going to In-N-Out. Should we do another edit of food? Or is that overplayed on the channel? I might do an edit of food. I might just show you.
An edit for me, so you guys can head over to my channel and watch this edit.
Well, that didn't last too long.
Or exercise meeting.
Look what happened when you smashed that bump.
What?
Look at my grill. The zip ties held it in kinda.
Oh, sad.
I don't know if it's fine or not. It's like upside down, I think. Wait, no, it's not. That's hilarious. Here, I'll hold this.
That bump was hard.
I know, I see that. So yeah, when Bobby was driving, I was thinking she hit this bump and on my grill. We finally made it to Los Angeles. I'm gonna actually put the camera away for the night. We're gonna go do whatever.
You're putting it away?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the iPhone. So the next clips you guys will see will be on the iPhone. It should be a good night. And I hope you guys like that Corvette. I don't know what the frick that thing was, like wide body. It may have been a clinch kit, I don't know. If anyone knows, leave it down in the comment section below because I kind of want to build one. Alright, later. So last night we honestly really didn't do much. I'll throw some clips from Bobby's camera onto the screen because I didn't record anything on my iPhone. We went to dinner and then came back and went to sleep. But anyways, I'm gonna go wrap up the vlog right here. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a bunch more content coming out throughout the week in California. Should be some fun times. All right, I'll see you in the next one.